This is Savitri's reply to death. The present condition, as we see here, is a condition of conflicting forces, good and bad, right and wrong, bright and dark. But what we house in our heart is something which is not yet able to come out fully. Nature houses evil in human hearts. She can dislodge the soul that is harbored in our body. That is what happens in the case of our daily activities. We are overpowered by the forces of nature, and the promptings of the soul we ignore. We do not even hear at times. In fact, there is a constant play of the creator and the destroyer. The Manichaean God is at once the creator, he is also the destroyer. In fact, he has the power to abolish man. He has the power to dissolve the world also. This is what is presently present in the state of affairs in which we are living here. Manichaean struggle, it is a struggle of good and evil. It is a struggle of light and darkness. It is a struggle between right and wrong, between truth and falsehood, between virtue and sin. It is in the context of this struggle of virtue and sin was the appearance of Christ. We have Christ the luminous, Christ the Messiah, and also Christ the sufferer. He comes here to pay God owes, pay the debt God owes to His creation. But beyond this Manichaean struggle, there is also a guardian power, and it is His calm eyes that look at things. He knows the good and evil. He understands all the aspects of existence here. In man, while there is the subconscient, there is also the subliminal. There is the cavern depth, darkness, the cave of darkness, but there are also the skies of light above him. And above dwells the superconscient God. It is the superconscient God who is really the creator of this world. It is because of him that the world moves on, that the material existence is possible. There is the greater self of knowledge waiting for us. There is the supernal light waiting to dawn in our skies. There is the truth conscious vast which has to open out even in this creation, waiting for us beyond mind, beyond life, are these powers of the superconscient God. And it is these powers, when they descend here, then the possibility of the life divine gets materialized. All those things are possible here. The world is made for that purpose. After all, it is truth that has made the world. It is not falsehood by which the creation has come up. It is by truth that things have arisen. And the logic of the truth is that those higher powers will descend in this creation and establish life divine. That is what Savitri is answering to death.